Hey, what's happening, traders? It's Mark here at DynoTrading, coming at you with a lunchtime recap video, man. You can see here it's just around 12 p.m. in the afternoon on a lovely Tuesday. And guys, all I can say to you is what a difference one day makes. Okay? We're going to recap the two sessions, Monday's massive sell-off where everybody was talking about doom and gloom, but I came on YouTube and you can verify this. You can check my video from yesterday. I said, hey guys, the vol is still green and you can most likely expect a bounce back in the following session, which is today. And just look at this, guys. Look at the charts from today. Hold on a second. Let me go ahead and clean this up just a little bit here. Okay. How crazy is this on a random Tuesday, right? Let me just recap for you these sessions, guys. All right, this is gonna blow your mind here. Okay, so here is yesterday's astronomical sell-off, where the financial news media, right, like CNBC, Bloomberg, Fox Business News, all those financial news media, everybody's freaking out, telling you it's the end of the world. Right? That we're in for a massive correction, 20%, 30%, market's going to plunge, right? And how many idiots do you think just panicked and sold out of their positions? Just freaked out, right? Only to watch the volume turn green and we're basically right back to where we were 2 days ago. Okay, so you've heard me say this before, guys. I don't know how often you want me to keep banging this into your head, all right? Trade what you see. Don't ever think that you're smarter than the market. And frankly speaking, stop reading headlines. Stop tuning into, CNBC and Jim Cramer. These people have a vested interest in keeping you on edge, right? They have a vested interest in sensationalism and over-the-top news pieces and news articles. It's just a bunch of BS, man. All right, I'm telling you, anyone that's been trading any number of years, anybody that's got a good amount of experience under their belt will tell you flat out the same thing that I'm telling you. Charts don't lie, all right? Price action tells you the truth. And one thing I want to remind you guys is, hold on a second, let me just go ahead and clean up this chart here a little bit. All right. One thing I want to remind you guys about volume market analysis is that volume, in my opinion, is the only thing that actually gives you a future price prediction on the market. Okay, regardless of what market you trade, whether you trade Forex, futures, stocks, options, crypto. Let me see, do I have a chart on Bitcoin open? Yeah, here's Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin, 2 days, July 19th and July 20th, which is today. Just a huge, what appears to be 6 to 7% sell-off, right? So volume can be tracked even in crypto, all right? It's frankly speaking, it's amazing. And for all you crypto traders out there, you need to have volume as a leading indicator on your charts, all right? But anyway, let's get back to the S&P here. So one thing I want to educate you guys on here, which is really understanding volume metric analysis, why this is so powerful, why I think this is the only leading indicator in the world. Nothing else will tell you and predict for you the future market movement, okay? And what I've been able to do is use Market Profile to really drill down on the bid volume and the ask volume, okay? And so these colors, these chart output colors where the volume band turns green and then turns red and then turns green again for this really astronomical 80-point move on the S&P today, all right? These color-coded displays is a direct reflection against the volume. It's very simple, guys, okay? When there are more transactions hitting the bid, that means that people want to get out of the market and they're willing to pay any possible price to get out. They're willing to just get filled at any possible price. All right, that's what I call panic selling. Now on the flip side, on the ask volume, What that means is if there's more transactions hitting the ask, all right, means people want to get into the market and they're willing to pay any price. Just get me into the market. I want to buy the market. I don't mind getting filled at any possible price that's available to me. Just get me in, get me in, get me in. All right? That's what I call panic buying. And I turn the volume band green. That is it, my friends. Okay? Listen, I wish I could show you a complicated, confusing, cluttered mishmash of indicators that every Joe Schmo out there is babbling on and on about, all right? And the sad reality is I am willing to bet that a lot of you guys out there still refuse to give up your candlestick indicator nonsense garbage, all right? And for anybody who was looking at candlesticks today, man, I feel sorry for you because there was no way that you could have predicted the trend the way that the volume market profile did in today's session. And again, guys, I really want to hammer this point home, okay? Stop thinking that you're smarter than the market. Nobody is. Not me, not you, not your friends, not your neighbors. Nobody is smarter than the market. However, just because we're not smarter than the market doesn't mean that we can harness the power of trends in the market, okay? Just like if I scroll back and show you over here, right? The volume turned red right on this spot here, and it nailed 140 points. Guys, this is 600 ticks on this sell-off, all right? The very next day, we had the exact opposite, where the volume turned green and gave us 380 ticks to the upside. Makes sense, guys? And if you do simple math, all right, just so you know, the S&P is $12 a tick or something like that. So if we do simple math, 2 contracts times $12.50 a tick times 380 potential ticks just today, guys. I'm not even factoring yesterday's 600 to 700 tick sell-off. I'm only talking about today's bullish opportunities, all right? This was a $9,500 potential just trading 2 contracts, all right? Imagine if your account could trade 4 contracts or 6 contracts, or many people that I know are trading 10 contracts. I'm only talking about 2. All right, $9,500 potential. Guys, these are real numbers. I'm not making these numbers up. You can go to the CME's website and verify these statistics. Okay, so here's what I want you to take away from watching this recap video. Number 1, okay, folks, I'm telling you, stop looking at your nonsense candlestick indicator garbage. Give volume a chance, right? All you struggling traders out there who aren't really making any money, what do you have to lose at learning a new technique or a new tactic, right? Something new that you can integrate into your trading that does a really good job and that's been statistically proven to work. All right, so educate yourself about volume analysis, folks. I'm telling you, it is the holy grail. You know, I'm looking back at some of these stock index futures like the Russell, the Dow. Some of these symbols are consistently trending, just like you see today, guys, all right? Some of those symbols are consistently trending on a daily basis, and I've been tracking this since January, so we're basically 7 months in, and this technique of using volume analysis has just been spot on. Okay, so number 1, guys, educate yourself about volume analysis. If you want to get in touch for a free demo, let me know. Happy to hook you up. But also, number 2, stop letting the financial news media freak you out. All right, sell-offs are great if you're a day trader. Rallies are great if you're a day trader, right? We're not here to watch TV. We're not here to make friends. We're here to make money, right? We're here to ride the market like a horse and look for low risk, high reward type of setups, okay? Using volume as our leading indicator. Volume is our friend, our best friend, All right, so that'll do it for today's video recap, guys. It is the best feeling in the world to be done by lunch. All right, we should all try to wrap up our trading day. I mean, you can trade in the afternoon if you want. I have a lot of customers and a lot of clients who trade round the clock. All right, but I personally feel that technical analysis and trading is a means to an end, and if you can wrap up your day by lunch and you had a great trading day like today, all right, just take your profits, enjoy your day, try to do something else other than trading, the rest of the day, up to you. But like I said, guys, these last 2 trading sessions have been one for the record books. I feel sorry for anybody who didn't capitalize, and for all of you guys out there who have the vol and you're actively killing it with the vol. I know we are going to see a lot more moves like we did yesterday over here, right? And certainly like we saw over here when the vol turns green. All right. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like more details on how to get your hands on the vol, I'm happy to hook you up. Call or text the number, get in touch by email, whatever's convenient, and I'll see you on the next trade.